community! Thank you for your support on our latest video. Look at these Sony models right here. Do you recognize them from our launch video? Today we're going to show you how we print these models. Before we begin, I want to tell you something about these models. This is Alaka, the main character from our launch video. It's an astounding model designed by Black Forge Games. The Basilisk is designed by Lord of the Print, whereas this model with super intricate details here is designed by Crypta Studios. With the ultra-high resolution combo of our Sony Mighty 8K and our Aqua Grey 8K resins, all of the models are printing efficiently while maintaining all of the sophisticated details. Here you can see the printing parameters we use for these prints. With Sony Mighty 8K's 10-inch LCD screen and 23.5cm Z-axis, the printing volume can reach up to 21.8 in length, 12.3 in width, and of course 23.5 in height, all in centimeters. Now let us show you how we boost our productivity with this amazing printer. For Alaka right here, we can see that the size of the model is approximately 26 by 15, with a height of 15, size all in centimeters. With Sony Mighty 8K, we only need to print 3 times, and each print is about 25 hours. Basilisk is a little larger than Alaka, in the size of 23 by 12 and 23 in height in centimeters. We can also print it in 3 sections, 25 hours for each. Lastly, the size of model from Crypta Studios is smaller, so we only need 2 prints, and it takes about 20 hours per print. Besides the significant improvement of the printing efficiency, don't forget about our Sony Mighty 8K's 28μm ultra-high resolution that provides intricate details for all of your models. Now, let's take a closer look at these breathtaking models. That's all for the printing process of these 3 models in our launch video for Sony Mighty 8K. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check up on our website and pre-order now. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know in the comment section down below. We'll get back to you ASAP. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.